maths. In maths, in last lecture we have started our chapter statistics. Okay. In last class, what we have learned? Arithmetic mean, tally marks, and frequency. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? Summation of fi xi divided by capital N. Okay. So I will I will listen about graph today. I will listen about graph. Yes or no?
Yes.
Which type of graph are there? How many types of graph? So today we are going to learn about two types of graph. First is subdivided and second is percentage. Okay. So today what we are going to learn? Subdivided and percentage bar graph. Bar graph. Okay. The first type is, what is the first type? Subdivided bar graph. So, what is the question? Give me the book. So, what is the question for this? See. What is the question? In question we have given town, that is Balapur, Akola and Shegaon. Okay? And here male, female and male laborers, female laborers and total number of laborers. Total number of laborers. In Balapur, suppose it is 180, 120, it is 80, 40, 100 and 60. Okay? See, for drawing the graph, this is the question. So 180 plus, what meaning of the question is, in a town there are three towns: Balapur, Akola and Shegaon. Total male laborers are there 180. In Balapur 180, Akola 80 and in Shegaon 100. Female labor
120,
40 and 60. So total number of laborers in Balapur 180 plus 120 is 300. 40 plus 80 is 120 and 160 is 160. Okay, this is the total labor. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a graph. Then what is the first stage? While drawing the graph, we have to first draw two axes. What we have to draw?
Two axes.
X axis and Y axis. This is X axis. This is Y axis. This is X axis. Stop. What we have to do? We have to draw two axes, X axis and Y axis. On X axis, what we have to write? We have to write the name of the town. What we have to write? Name of the town. And here we have to write down the labors. What do you have to write? Labors. Okay. Now, how many total labors are there? 300? 300 now. Okay. So, first we have to write the name. How many towns are there? 3 towns. Balapur, Akola and Shegaon. So, here we can write for Balapur, BAR, for Akola, AKL, and for Shegaon, SSG. Okay. And on Y axis, we will write scale on which axis? Y axis. Okay, scale on Y axis. What is 1 centimeter equal to 40 labors? We will start from 40, right? 40, 80, 120 plus 40, 160, 200, 240, 280 and 320. Like 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280 and 320. Okay. So now, how many total labors are there in Balapur? 300. So draw a line. Where is 300? In between this?
Yes.
280 और 320 के बीच में रहेगा ना 300?
Yes.
So it will come here. Then we have to draw a line like this. This is the total number of laborers in Balapur.
Yes.
Okay. Now for Akola, total members 120. It will come here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And for Segaon
160.
मीन्स इससे थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा ना
Yes.
160 labor. Okay. Subdivided bar graph means what? This is the total graph. Now we have to divide the graph in two parts. First is male and second is
Male.
so male in graph. Male we will show by lines. This is for male and the plane is for female.
Female.
Okay. Now how many males are there in Balapur?
180.
So where is 180? 160, 180
180.
here. So 180 males. Why we have drawn this line? Because we are showing male. Okay.
Yes.
Then 120 remaining are female.
Female.
Next, in Akola, how many males are there?
80.
80 will come here. Okay.
Yes.
Understand? And for Segaon, 100 males are there.
100.
Okay, 100 will come here.
Yes.
So this is nothing but the graph for. This is a graph which is called as subdivided graph because we have divided this bars in two columns. One is male and second is
Female.
Okay, understand this?
Yes.
So, okay, have you understood this?
Yes.
Have I remove it?
Yes.
Have you wrote down?
Yes.
लिख लिया सबने?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Start.
What is the next topic? That is percentage bar graph. What is the topic?
Percentage bar graph.
In this, what we have to do? We have to calculate the percentage. You know how to calculate the percentage?
Yes.
What is the formula for percentage? Marks obtained. Okay. Divided by total marks into 100. This is nothing but the formula to calculate the percentage. Suppose in an exam you have got 50 marks. Okay. You have got how many marks you have got? 50 marks out of 100. Then what will the percentage? This cut you will get 50%. This is the kind we have to calculate the percentage. Now we will see how to draw a graph on this. Okay. See, there is a question. What is the question? In a town, are we? क्या है? In a town, are we 42 trees? How many trees are there?
42 trees.
Out of 60 trees. Okay, 60
Trees.
in RV and in Morshi, in Morshi 45 trees out of 75 survive. Okay, here also survive. And in town 3, that is Barshi. How many trees? 45 trees. 45 trees out of 90 were survived. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the percentage and we have to draw the graph. Percentage bar graph. For that, first we have to calculate, we have to draw the table. What is given? 3 towns. Then again we will town. Then what is the topic? What will come? Trees survive. Or total number of trees. Total
Trees 60.
total trees. Then survived
42.
survived trees. Then third column will be percentage. Okay. What we have to calculate? Percentage. Then which towns are there? 3 towns are there. First is Arvi, Morshi and Barshi. Okay. Arvi total trees are 60. In Morshi 75. In Barshi
90.
Then how many survived?
42.
42,
45.
55 and 45. Then we have to calculate the percentage. How we will calculate?
42.
42 divided by 60 into 100. How many?
70.
0 0 will cut. 6 7 the 40. So and 7 by 10 is 70. Then here 45 divided by 75 into 100. How will, what will come?
60.
60. And here 50. 45 by 90 into 100. It will come
50.
50. Okay.
Yes.
Oscar. So till now what we have calculated? We have calculated the percentage in RV 70, in Morshi 60, and in Barshi 50. Okay. Now we have to draw the graph. Same thing. We have to draw 2 axes. First is y, second is x axis and y axis. Okay. Now we have to write the scale on y axis. See, scale on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Why percentage? Because what we are drawing? We are drawing percentage bar graph. So 1 centimeter equal to 10%. So we'll like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
70, 80.
How many? 50, 60,
70, 80.
90 and
100.
90 and
100.
See, what and towns? What is this? This is the percentage. What is this? This is town.
Percentage.
Town. How many towns are there? 3 towns. Which are these? Arvi,
Moshi,
Morshi,
Barshi,
and Barshi. Okay. So see, in bar graph, in percentage bar graph, there is one condition. We have to draw all the what is the condition? We have to draw all the conditions with 100%. Okay. So draw three graphs with 100%. What we have did? We have draw the graph with 100%. will show the survived tree in this and unsurvived in a blank box. And unsurvived in a blank box. So for RB, how many survived trees are there?
70.
How many?
42.
Percentage of survived trees are 70%. So what is here? It will 70%. Then we will draw the lines. Okay. In Morshi, 60%. 60. And in Bashi, 50%. See what we have did. First we have drawn a table. We have calculated the percentage. What is the formula for percentage? Total obtained value divided by total into 100. Like here, how many trees are there? Total trees
60.
Survived trees are
72.
42. So 42 divided by 60. That is 100. Okay. So this is the percentage of survived trees, and we have drawn this graph. Have you understood all the graph?
Yes.
So what we have learned today? Subdivided bar graph and percentage bar graph. Okay. So write down the homework.
Yes.
Write down. So homework you have to write. Write down the homework. Solve the problem number 2, 3. Solve the problem number 2 and 3 from exercise 11.2. Okay? Thank you.